The new track just coming in on Tropical Storm Dorian.
Right now, South Florida is in the cone of uncertainty.
Let's go over to Chief Meteorologist Steve Weigel for the 11 o'clock update. Steve?
Yeah, some changes to the forecast for this tropical storm. Still expected to become a hurricane, but it has weakened this evening. Hurricane hunters have been flying through it and have determined that the winds have come down to 50 miles an hour. The latest have a little slower speed, just a touch, west-northwest now at 13. And moving in towards St. Lucia overnight and early tomorrow morning, emerging into the eastern Caribbean and gradually strengthening. Winds up to 70 miles an hour by Wednesday morning, and then a Category 1 hurricane as it approaches the western tip of Puerto Rico, possibly moving between Puerto Rico and the Dominican Republic. That happens late Wednesday, early Thursday, weakening once again. This is a key moment, Wednesday night and early Thursday, with the mountainous areas coming into play here, shearing it apart a little bit, and wind shear. The significant wind shear expected in this area the middle of the week. But ahead of this, on Friday and Saturday, weather conditions are expected to be favorable again for some strengthening. And now we have a 70-mile-an-hour tropical storm just off our coast. That is Saturday evening at 8 p.m. There's high confidence that we will see some messy weather here at the very minimum on the weekend. Arriving on Saturday and continuing into Sunday, the computer model tracks in very good agreement. Get two very important pieces of information from the Hurricane Center, where the storm is going and just how strong it'll be. At this point, it looks like there's high confidence that the storm works its way into South Florida. Just how strong it will be is the big question here. And the probability for tropical storm force winds have increased almost 30% now. That chance on Saturday for Palm Beach County, a little bit less on the Treasure Coast. So it's definitely one to monitor this week. Should it become a little bit stronger and emerge off the north coast of the Dominican Republic on late Wednesday and Thursday as a strong storm, it has a chance to strengthen even more in the Bahamas. We also have another depression out there expected to become a tropical storm on Wednesday, and across South Florida, quiet night. Now we're going to talk more about our tropical storm Dorian and what it might mean for your weekend plans, holiday weekend, coming up in a few minutes.